Quick question. How do you actually know if your virtual employees are properly utilized? At Virtual Intelligence, we use Insightful to understand how work time is structured, not micromanaged. We pair that with end-of-day completed reports, and our tech team analyzes both to turn that data into clear, actionable insights.
This is how our Insightful looks like. So we're showing here a sample of data from our virtual employee, which is Sheena Scott. The data would show last week's data, which is December 15, 2025 to December 19, 2025. So her RB's utilization is at 19.14%. So it would mean that the VE is properly utilized by her agency. Also, the Insightful tool would show screenshots of the VE's computer every 2 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. And then they could also show the activities of the VE for that week. Also, the top websites that the VE is accessing, as well as with the duration of which the VE has accessed those said websites. Aside from that, we also check is the VE's end of day report, which would also be an additional or supplemental data in which would justify the VE's utilization report on a granular level, because it will show the list of activities or tasks that the VE has taken and has completed. Okay, so our utilization is calculated as the total productive time plus total unproductive time plus idle time plus break time divided by the total work time of the VE for that certain week or certain day, right? And also utilization report supports smarter staffing and workload decisions in terms of identifying which part of the day is the busiest and which part of the day is the lean time, as well as which day of the week is the lean time and which of the day of the week is the busiest. Aside from that, we are also manually tracking the utilization rate of the agent on a weekly basis. And also we are ranking them based on the classification that we have as shown here. So all the VEs that are achieving 40 to 50% utilization rate are overachiever, and 30 to 39% are high performer, and 20 to 29 are scientific contributor, and 10 to 19.99 are development performer, and then lastly 0 to 9.99% are underutilized, meaning to say there are still things that the VE could do with their agency. Unfortunately, they are only given a certain amount of tasks to cater to on a daily basis.
We just published a blog explaining how this helps agencies make smarter staffing decisions. Check it out below.